In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Booking.com. Specifically, we'll walk through how to create an account so you can book stays, flights, and car rentals with ease. To start, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Booking.com website. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking that the address bar shows the correct spelling and the secure padlock icon. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent search bar, featured deals, and navigation options across the top. This is the right place to begin. From the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the register option. On a desktop, it usually appears alongside sign in. On a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon first to reveal it. Click or tap register to begin setting up your account. After selecting register, Booking.com will guide you through the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked for an email address you can access and then to create login details. If you're offered the option to continue with a third-party account, that's simply an alternative sign-up method. Choose whatever you're most comfortable with and follow the instructions shown. If you're prompted to verify your email, keep your inbox open so you can complete that step smoothly. A few quick tips can make this process smoother. Use an email you check regularly so you don't miss important confirmations or reservation updates. Keep your login details private and secure, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If you already have a Booking.com account from a past trip, choose sign in instead of register to avoid creating duplicates. If something doesn't look right, like the site appears in a different language or currency, use the language and currency selectors typically found at the top of the page to switch to your preference. If the register button seems to be missing, refresh the page, try a different browser, or temporarily disable extensions that might block pop-ups or scripts. That's all there is to it. Visit the official Booking.com homepage, select register, and follow the prompts that appear. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to save your details, view past and upcoming bookings, and manage your preferences in one place, which makes future reservations faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching. Pause and replay as needed while you complete the steps, and once you're done, you'll be ready to explore accommodations, flights, and more with your new Booking.com account.